Hi students, so open your 8085 Ultimate. Today we will continue with your next program, that is subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. You can write the program in new file. Just write down the assembly language instructions. I have already saved the program in my folder, so I'm going to open it from open file. Here is your program under 8-bit subtraction. So as I have told you earlier, you will write your main program on this window. You can see menu options is there: new file, new tab, close tab, open, save as. Save, you can save your file. Load, you can load this file to the microprocessor, and after that you can run this program. So we have discussed earlier that this is memory we use for storing your data, and program address and memory locations are there. So total memory locations to power 16, that is 65k. You can use it for your program address and for addressing memory location, and data is stored into the form of 8-bit. And this is your main kit. You can see this is your keypad. This is for hex input. All data, all numbers you enter, these are in hexadecimal, whether you enter the memory location or whether you enter the data, 8-bit data, that is in hexadecimal. And you can see previous, next, run, exam, state, reset, go, execute, and step buttons are there. I will explain this during the execution of the program step by step. So for subtraction of 8-bit numbers, you must be aware of the flowchart. You need two numbers. What does it mean? It simply means you need at least two registers, because in microprocessor we don't have variables, but we use registers, 8-bit registers, like variables. Six registers are there: general purpose, B, C, D, E, H and L. These are 8-bit general purpose registers. For 16-bit data storage, you can use this in combination. That combination is like BC, DE and HL. You can't use like BH, CL, BE. These combinations are not allowed. Only three combinations are there for 16-bit, that is BC, DE and HL. So it is very clear from your flowchart that you need at least two registers, and as we know, all the arithmetic and logical operations are performed by ALU unit, and for this special purpose register, 8-bit register A, that is accumulator, is used to perform these operations. So we use accumulator for all the arithmetic operations, and data is accumulated in the accumulator unless we move it to further memory location for storage. So here we have used instructions LXI H2051. This means is immediately load HL with memory location 2051, and next instruction move AM, move memory location to accumulator, and after that INX H. This instruction is used to increase HL pair memory address. That is, if we increase this INX H, the next memory location will 2052. After that subtract M, accumulator subtracts data from memory location, that is 2051. You can understand your first number was already in accumulator. When you moved memory to accumulator, the data associated with 2051 was already in accumulator, and the next number we took from next memory location by INX H, that is data from 2052, and then we subtracted data of 2052 from the data stored in the accumulator. After that the data content of accumulator is stored in the 2053 memory location. You can check your result at 2053. Okay, so we will first load this program, and your last instruction is halt, and opcode for halt is 76. This will end your program. So first we load this program in the program address. So I have used program address 2000. So you can see clearly here assembling is finished, but your program counter is 0000. Okay, and stack pointer is FFFF. These are 16-bit registers, and you can check all the registers here are 0. A, B, D, H, C, E, L, and flag register F. So we will run this step by step. You can see your program counter is pointing towards your program address, which we have put earlier, 2000. Press next. So your first instruction is taken from my program address 2003, and you can check the mnemonics and the opcode. Opt for LXI HL 2051 is 215120. This is hex coding. Okay, 21 is for LXI, 51 is your lower order memory location. Okay, 8-bit taken first, lower order, and after that 20 is your higher, that is in H. Your lower order 51 is placed in H and higher is placed in L. Am I right? No, I was wrong. Okay, your higher order, higher bit 4-bit is in H. You can check from the register. Just observe the register's operation. Register H is 20 and register L is 51. It means lower 4-bit are in L and higher are in H. Okay, so just click next. Next instruction is move AM. So opcode for this instruction is 7E. This is your 1 byte instruction. Click next. Again INX HL. You can see opcode is 23, and this is again a 1 byte instruction. And after that your arithmetic operation is performed at accumulator. You can just check the program counter after execution of each step. Your program counter point to the next program address, next memory location, right, in the program address. And stack pointer always points to the top of the stack. So you can see when we execute the instruction subtract M from accumulator, what happens? Your 0 flag is set and parity flag is set. What does it mean? After arithmetic operation, the result is 0 and number of ones in the result is even. So that's why parity flag is set. Okay, so just observe the all registers during the execution of each step, so you can have a better understanding of your programming with 8085 microprocessor. So next instruction is store accumulator content to the 2053 memory location. Okay, this is a 3 byte instruction, and you can see your next instruction appears on memory program address 2009. So this is the end of our program. So now we need to check it whether this program is working or not. So what we will do, we will just load data to 2051 and 2052. First you have to press go. Just type your program address, and after that examine किसको करना है. What was your program? 2051. Okay, so just 2051 enter here and put in the number, 8-bit number. So my first number is 6, and from this I can jump to the press next and jump to the I have to press previous 2052. This is my next memory location by instruction INXH, right? So we have to feed here my next number, that is 2. You can check your numbers. Your first number is 6, your next number is 2, right? So next 2053, nothing is there, but your result will be stored in this after execution. So just press go, and after that run your program. So your program execution is finished. You can check from here flag positions. No flag is set. Stack pointer still pointing to the top of the stack. Okay, program counter, our halt instruction was on 2009. It is pointing to the next program address 2200A 200A, that is next memory location. Okay, and your accumulator content are 04. Okay, accumulator, what does accumulator means? All the data will be accumulated in accumulator unless you move it. Okay, we haven't moved this data, we have just stored accumulated to another memory location, that is 2053. Okay, if we have moved this data, then your accumulator would have been 00. But we haven't moved this data, so this is showing at register A. Your register A is showing 04. Your last operation was there, subtract M. Okay, our first number was 06, next was 02. So after subtraction, accumulator register A is showing 04. So that is your result, but we have stored it in STA 2053. This is another memory location we have used for storing this data. So you can check again. So we have to examine. So just press exam button, exam. go 2000 exam. First number is 6, next is 2 and 2053, that is 04. So this is our result after subtraction. So we can check this also on in our memory location. Okay, you know we have used program address 2000, right? Here we are 2000, your opcode is there 21. After that, lower bit of memory location 51, higher bit 20. After that, again instruction code, that is opcode 7E, opcode 23 at 2004, at 2005 96. Okay, like that you can see your operand, your opcode is fast here up to 2009, right? Last 76, that is the code for halt, HLT. So your program is at program starting from program address 2000 up to 2009. And you can also check your numbers, okay, which you have given here for subtraction. First number is 6, next 2, and the result is 04, right? So one more thing I want to tell you, this is completion of our program, but apart from this, total number of instructions in microprocessor, these are 2 power 8, because 8-bit data we are processing in this. So total number of instructions in 8085 are 256, but for programming use, for external programmer use, almost 2045 instructions are available. 245, I'm sorry, you can only use 245 instructions out of 256. Okay, and as concerned about memory location, these are 2 power 16, because 16-bit. So that's all. Okay, your address was